No way. I like almost can't even believe like.
So we recently had a wonderful student come for an intro to faceting lesson. She had zero experience in the faceting realm, but she did have experience working in the jewelry space, working for companies like Tiffany & Co. So she knows how to sell jewelry and she wants to continue down this career path in the trade, but she wanted to expand her skill set into stone cutting. And she did a fantastic job. She cut some amazing stones, and come take a look at what she did. So you're just gonna write down all the numbers that you do until you have the whole shape cut out that you like. You know, you don't have to base it purely off of that. You can kind of just say, oh, I think, you know, a facet here would look good, and create the shape that you think will look the best. And then we'll use the same angles that we did here, 57.5, and you'll go on the same numbers that you wrote down and cut 57.15 until you line up facets on the girdle. So, first she's cleaning off the lap, applying fresh diamond, and then she's going through all the facets and pre-polishing. Oh yeah, no, that's perfect. I would leave it how it is.
This is awesome.
Came out nice.
Light through the back.
It's pretty electric color.
I love it.
Very nice. Wow.
What do you think, Nolan?
It's exceptional. Such a good stone. There's no darkness in it at all. It's a really nice garnet.
No way. I like almost can't even believe like. It was awesome. It was amazing. I feel really honored. I feel super passionate about it. I'm excited to see what the future holds. I'm very excited to see what the future holds. And I finally did it. After all these years, I finally did it. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. I'm taking this jewelry thing to the moon. So we'll see what's to come.